Here doing an epic unboxing of the Victorinox Farmer X. Raining outside. Unboxing of my most exciting Victorinox knife so far. Before the Farmer, probably this one is my favorite, and then the Soldier with the one opening trick, and then the Ranger. Now we have the Farmer X. I'm really interested about this Farmer X 0.8271.26, made in Switzerland. Open it and see what's inside. First time I open this. As I open the box, the thunder starts, but I think it was opened because these are supposed to be outside, but they're inside. Anyway, okay. Wow, it feels really super solid. Wow. And not much thicker than the Mini Champ, just a bit thicker than my Tinker. It feels really solid in the hand. These bolts, rivets, they feel pretty good. Wow. This is the Ranger on the left. Okay. Okay, let's see now. The tools look really solid from watching them from just before opening it. Wow, powerful thunder. Oh, the owl. This reamer slash owl. It wasn't opened before. It's really powerful. Wow. And sharp. I mean, comparing it to the Ranger, it's really like and the way you hold it is also more convenient because you can really dig for things with this. You can open boxes. Looks like this is gonna be my new unboxing knife, the owl of my Farmer X. And closes. Okay. I like the lip here, it's easy to open it. Yeah, it's the first time it's opened. No fingerprints on it except mine. It doesn't say Officer Swiss on the Alox model. But the blade, it's really thick. Wow. Ranger versus Farmer. I think the Farmer blade, they are at the same distance now. The Farmer blade, it's a bit thicker. Trying to carefully close it. Yeah, this blade is thicker. Yeah, it looks the same to me. very solid tweezers, very solid scissors. Cup lifter. The cup lifter on the soldier versus the farmer. It's the same, but this one locks here. Same distance. And the can opener. Interesting rain. Not a lot of tools on it, but they're all heavy duty, really. And the owl, this is my new unboxing knife. This is why this is the farmer. The saw blade. Trim your garden, your field, tree branches. Like the Ranger. Also the soldier has this pattern, it's a bit deeper I think, or it's the same. A really useful tool. These metal parts here, they might dig into your hand when you try to use it, especially these ones here. So you might need to use gloves for this, but still really nice. You can cut plastic with this. Be very careful with these. These are really sharp, very sharp tools. That's the inside. The springs. Yeah, this is the Farmer X. I was really not sure if I should buy this one, but I thought I'm gonna like it because it's an Alox model. Simple metallic design. Very nice. Yeah, I think the Farmer X is really well packed. A little bit on the heavy side, but thanks for watching. This feels much better than the plastic ones. Really solid.